I'd like to introduce you to our novel sinus irrigation kit, FLO Sinus Care. FLO Sinus Care is an effective positive pressure method of cleaning the sinus cavities. The sinus cavities are lined with mucus-secreting membranes. The mucus is important because it traps foreign particles, bacteria and viruses and helps the upper respiratory tissues to keep clean and healthy. However, when the mucus drainage points in the sinuses become narrowed or blocked, as they can do in viral infections such as the common cold and flu, hay fever and from other causes, the mucus can no longer escape the sinus cavity. Pressure builds up and this may cause a pressure pain in the facial region. Nasal pump sprays do not provide an adequate amount of fluid to wash and clean the sinus cavities. Similarly, nebulizers and inhalations are inadequate. The best way to achieve an effective wash of the sinuses is to use a positive pressure, high volume washing device such as FLO Sinus Care. Here's how to use FLO Sinus Care. Add 1 sachet of FLO Sinus Care to the bottle and fill with cool boiled water. Screw on the cap and dip tube and gently shake until all the FLO Sinus Care granules have dissolved. The next step is to actually use the device to wash out the problematic sinuses. Lean over a basin and put your chin as close to the chest wall as possible. Now start breathing through the mouth and insert the top of the cap snugly into one nostril. Firmly but gently squeeze the bottle until half the contents have been emptied. Then withdraw the bottle from the nostril and allow it to refill with air. Now repeat the procedure in the opposite nostril. Gently blow your nose to get rid of excess fluid. Note, if you have had any nasal or sinus operation, you should only blow your nose if your surgeon has given permission for you to do so.
When the wash has been completed, you'll need to dismantle the bottle and wash it in warm, soapy water. Rinse well and dry thoroughly with a clean paper towel. Next, obtain some isopropyl alcohol or Isocol. It's available from your local pharmacy. Apply the Isocol to a clean paper towel and wipe down all the components of the bottle, ensuring that you wipe down all the threads on the outside of the bottle, inside of the cap, and also the dip tube. Isocol helps to dry out any remaining water and helps to get rid of unwanted bacteria. Reassemble the bottle and place it in your refrigerator until next needed. Remember to rinse the bottle and cap with clean water just before using it again. This removes any lint that may be left behind from the paper towel.